join boxing classes. So I'm on my way. It's 5:30 right now. I'm gonna pick up a friend, we go together, and then we're gonna head for... It's 7:30 and I am back home. I'm gonna go take bath real quick and wake up Aiden so we can start our day. I just finished walking Marvel. Mine is already in a meeting. Good morning. Look at that little dude. Yes, I am gonna make our breakfast. Today we're just gonna do coffee and muffin, and for him I'm gonna do, let's see, I'm still thinking, but yeah, I'm gonna quickly make the coffee. Are you doing open and shut? Can you show open and shut? Open and are you doing what is it called? Stomp your feet, stomp your feet, stomp your feet, stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. No, we're not gonna do dish now. He loves helping me doing dishes, like unloading them, not loading, just unloading them. He always loves it. Yeah, we're gonna do dish in some time after eating our food, okay? After eating breakfast, we're gonna do the dish. Not right now, Chicky Bum. What happened? What happened? Are you not able to open it? Is that why you're angry? Yeah? So I recently bought Nespresso machine, coffee machine, even though I had the old one, but I just wanted two different kinds. Sometimes if I wanted to use pods, and then sometimes if I wanted to use the ground ones. So yeah, coffee is all ready. I'm just pouring the milk, and I'm gonna give it to Mayank. Me and Aiden, we usually eat downstairs. Mayank eats while he is working or in a meeting or something like that. So yeah, today's class was so good, but I was so damn tired. I have no idea why. Maybe because I'm gonna get my periods, maybe. So Marvel, come here, come on, drop it and come take Cheetos. Come on, drop it, drop it. Let me show you the coffee. It looks so good. Today's flavor is double espresso dulce. Look at that. Marvel, come on. I didn't go get it from Marvel, baby. Look at that. I love the crema that this coffee gives. The espresso. Just love it. So delicious. I'm not even gonna lie, but since I got this machine, I haven't went to Starbucks even once. Like, not even once. Normally I would go 3 to 4 times a week, but I haven't gone to Starbucks, so I guess I'm saving money. Where's your table, Chicky Bum? Your table is missing. Mommy gotta put it in. What do you have there? Come on, show everybody. Let's go see what you have there. Come. Aiden has been playing with butternut squash over here. Yeah, is that your? Are you gonna cook it? That's heavy. Good job. You strong, Aiden. Yeah, you're very strong. Yeah, he's showing his muscles. I taught him to do that. Are you strong? How you so strong? Yeah, good job. What is that? Is that a vegetable? That's called butternut squash. Can you say butternut squash? Butternut squash. No? Okay, you don't want to say it? Okay. Ooh, strong! Good job. You're so strong, Chiquila. Ooh. So he loves blender, and he always sees me like holding the blender from top, even though I don't have to, but yeah. So he would go and like hold anything and like, ooh, 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 ooh. Is a blender going on? Whoosh. You're strong, mister. Oh, are you gonna carry it in your head? Yeah? You're gonna carry it in your head? Ooh, ooh, ah. Good job. Yeah. And then this fridge is filled with like sodas and ice and all that stuff. So we had to put that because he's in his same height, and he learned how to open this, and he would take everything out, put it here on the table and play with it. I see. Interesting. Alrighty, I put Aiden to sleep and I am using up leftovers and making our lunch real quick. For Mayang, I'm doing like a chicken sandwich, spicy chicken sandwich. I have yesterday's Publix chicken here. And for myself, I'm doing like a salmon bowl. I have some salmon left. Aiden ate some salmon, and the rest I'm just gonna finish it off just a little bit. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do, and then I'm gonna go get to editing. I have to edit some pictures and some videos, and then I'll see you guys in some time. Our lunch is ready. This is my salmon bowl, the famous one that I love, but I just don't have kimchi. But otherwise, I would have definitely added kimchi to it. And this is Mayang's sandwich. Oh my god, look at that. It looks so good. He's gonna love it. So yeah. So I didn't woke up. It is 3 o'clock right now. He woke up around 2:30. I fed him some mango, and now I'm gonna go give him a bath. I'm gonna give him an early bath today. There he is. I'm gonna give him an early bath today because we're gonna go out in the evening to the outlet malls. So that's why I'm gonna give him an early bath right now. Also because I wanted to use this on him. This is basically chickpea flour, turmeric and milk. He is so tanned by always staying outside in the sun. So it's like a natural de-tanning ingredient. So that's what I'm gonna massage him with, let it dry and rinse it off and give him a normal bath. So let's go do that. With our bath, and he wants to carry the bowl and spoon. I'm gonna go get ready. All right. Yeah. Alright. What are you doing? I tried all this mint like 3-4 days back. I kept it in the sun and they are nice and crisp, so I'm just crushing them so I can store them and use it for whatever I want. And also Aiden is watching our vlog for the first time in TV, so he's a little shocked. He's just standing there and watching, like not even moving. I think he's like, what am I doing there in the TV? We are on our way to the outlet mall. We're just gonna... Our estimation is already off. Yeah. So when I looked it up, it was showing like 37 minutes away. But obviously that was in the afternoon and there was no traffic, and this is like peak hours. So it's gonna take us an hour to basically reach there. We got pretzels. We got the aunt and pretzels, and now we're going to the store. So the whole family is snacking basically right now. Okay, I'm over here enjoying pretzels. Yummy? So we're at Tommy now, waiting for Daddy because Daddy's trying clothes, right? Yes? Yes? Are you saying yes? And we did some shopping. So yeah. Yes? Yeah? 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 Yeah.
I'm vlogging after like million of years, but we are back home. We just came home. It's already 9:30. We fed Aiden on the way, so he's pretty full because he kind of munched a lot. So Tanya has taken him to change his diaper and put him to bed. I think Tanya is pretty full. We actually made khichdi before we went. So I might have a little bit of khichdi. And Tanya said she just wanna have ice cream for dinner. So that's the plan. And I can show you guys that I got for myself. I normally carry this bag when I am with Aiden, so I don't like to keep a heavy wallet in my bag. So I used to carry the card holders like this because I don't keep cash. And I got a simpler one like this one, just the card holder, because this has enough space to hold my cards. So I just got this and not the wallet. So I'm curious how many of you men out there are card holder people versus the wallet people. For some reason I can't keep the wallet in my back pocket. It's just too bulky for me, so I just like to use card holders. That's it. And these days half the time it's Apple Pay, Samsung Pay and whatnot, so you pay with your phone, so you don't even need that. So anyways, I'm gonna end this vlog. Tanya will show you guys probably in your next vlog all the stuff we got, and then we are gonna see you in our next vlog. Until then, bye bye.